Bat soup cough of 2020
Bat
needs a
soup
warning label.
Cough. Back 2020. It was supposed to down old folks.
You know this is ordered by the Georgia Guidestone, the Devil's Constitution.
Immune system. Not even tell me the remedy they made. Also down youngsters, primarily male, with the heart thumpers, heart thumping failure. I know y'all read me. I know y'all read me crystal clear. But the media Nazis made it like this, but we adapted our language, so we understand what was happening.